slowly we are moving ahead. This is a bumper to bumper, half clutch, full clutch, half clutch, moving ahead. Because I cannot manage with this one, so I have to give some power. Upshift, third gear, release the clutch, continue. Very nice. Now we are entering the traffic zone. Still in the second gear, slowly moving. This is a half clutch scenario, but I am using brake instead of accelerator because I was already on the downhill, or like it was a slope area. Okay, so now there is one car who wants to enter. For a beginner driver, many of the times what do we face? People get scared in the night time because they are worried about the visibility. Some of the people, they are worried about like the oncoming traffic lights, and yes, it is very challenging with the high beams and the type of white lights or like unregulated LED lights people use, right? So because of that it is very hard. So I want you guys to drive as much as possible in the daytime. Once you get used to it, then you start doing the nighttime. Okay, so what I would suggest you, like, right, if you have anybody who is driving the vehicle in your house who is more expert, right, so try to sit in the passenger seat along with them, and just like focus as if like you will be or you would be driving that vehicle, right, and think about the lights which are coming from the other vehicles, right. Upshifted, there is a speed breaker coming because I can see the car next to me is pressing the brake, is slowing down, so that is the speed breaker sign. Now I can quickly check that with the high beam. I'm done. I know like there are two speed breakers I spotted with this high beam. Downshifted to the second gear. Now as we are already in the second gear, car speed is in 20 to 25, RPMs are only around 1500. There is no need to downshift further, but I can just manage with a little bit of slowdown so that my passengers will not feel the bump, and we can continue very gently. Now can we upshift? Yes, we can upshift to the third gear. Now we are in the third gear, continue. So now there is a speed breaker coming, slowing down, brake first, downshift to the third gear. Can we survive? No, we cannot. Now the car will struggle to move ahead. So second gear. Now we went into the second gear, looks good, speed is around 30, upshift to the third gear, release the clutch, give the power. Now we will move ahead. This is now the road elevation is kind of downhill, so the road is going down, it is a slope, the car is automatically getting the speed, so I have to little bit press the brake little bit because I wanted to control my speed. There is a bike in front of me, I cannot overtake, I cannot bypass him. Now I can, and now I will upshift to the fourth gear. But again, nighttime is very sometimes I find it very safe or interesting because you get to know like more accurate information. Say for example, in the daytime you will not be able to see whether people are pressing brakes or not, but in the nighttime it is very easy to spot. It is very easy to spot if there is a oncoming vehicle from the other side. So well, that's it for tonight's video on the safe night driving. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, safe driving is everybody's responsibility. If you have any night driving tips, please feel free to share those in the comments below. I would really appreciate those. Keep driving safely, stay confident, have a good one.